Today's episode is 17 reacts to Western Nom snore gets replaced with number block 99 snore, and this video has been requested by Tony Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 17. Sorry for not reacting because I was with the others. But luckily, I returned. I'll react to Western Nom's snore gets replaced with number block 99's snore. Finally, this is the first ever snore replacement change, and the first reaction episode with a changed snore replacement. That's good indeed because 52's was really disturbing. But anyways, enjoyed the reaction.
Okay, chill, fine, I'll snore.
Well, that's better. Thanks to the Snore Queen for changing replacements. The video ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 499.